So you're already preparing to bed, or you still have work? Hi for Kamay. Ciao ciao. By the way, good evening. Hi Gab. I just wanna say your presence don't go down. It's almost dinner time. No work. I'm retired. Yan, ganyan, Angelo. Mabuti yan. What's for dinner? What are you gonna eat for dinner, Kali? Steak and bongga. It's so yummy naman. Shari 5584 48 pala. Who's gonna cook your dinner? Is it your wife or you have a cook? Hi, Jaya. After this, I'm gonna take a bath. Hanggang ano siguro. Pag pa 1 hour lang ako. How old are you na ba, Akali? Hindi, 50 minutes na pala ako dito. 39. Then what do you do for living, Kali, since you're already retired? Hola, amor. Hello, Gabriel. Hi, Sky Rach. Hi, Sky Rach. Agay. May fake lashes ko poke sa mata ko. Diba? Wala yung fake lashes ko. Kita mo ba, Angelo, yung fake lashes ko? I have investment and I have some assets. That's great. Hi, Fallen. Comment na ako. Bakit naman? Okay. Ito, i-admin na kita. I'm taking, tawag doon? Hi, Marky! Ito na naman, napadaan na naman siya. Thank you, Marky. I'm, taking my fake lashes. Since it's poking my eyes. Oh my God, am I salty today?